What's up, YouTube? How's it going today? Hope you're all having a good one. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Dan. This is my 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, and this is the EvolvedJeepin channel, where I typically create video content where I install and review aftermarket parts on my Jeep. But today's video is going to be a little different because today we're not going to be installing anything. Instead, I'm going to be introducing a new project, and it's a project that I actually need your help to complete. You might be wondering, what is the project? Well, it actually has to do with vinyl wrap. No, I don't need you to come here and vinyl wrap my Jeep with me, though that would be helpful. What I actually need is your help choosing which colors to wrap the Jeep in. And yes, I did say colors because I'm doing something a little different here, and I'm not going to be wrapping the Jeep in one single color. The idea that I have is to create a Jeep that is inspired by the Harlequin Volkswagen Golf. If you're unfamiliar about what that is, it is a car that Volkswagen launched in 1996, which was a mix and match of 4 different colored vehicles. This was a limited edition item, and it was a bit of a marketing campaign, but in the end, it turned out to be a very unique item and very trendy and popular. It is still popular to this day, as the current Volkswagen community is continuously replicating that design on newer generation Golfs. For this project, I'm not looking to replicate that design on my Jeep. What I'm looking to do is use the overall design language and idea and add my own twists. The first twist, because this is a Jeep, is I'm going to use vinyl wrap colors that are inspired by factory Jeep paint colors. And I'm also going to be using 6 colors instead of 4 because the Jeep Wrangler is a lot bigger and has more panels than a Volkswagen Golf. The second twist, which is probably the bigger twist and involves you guys, is unlike Volkswagen, I am not going to be designing the overall look of this Jeep. What I'm going to be doing is have you guys vote on what color each panel should be. The way this is going to work is on the EvolvedJeepin Instagram page, we're going to post a photo of every panel. And on each post, there's going to be a poll where you're going to be able to submit your vote on what color you want that panel to be. Even though I mentioned that there are 6 colors that we're going to be adding on this Jeep, on each poll, there's only going to be 4 options. The reason is because of limitation of Instagram, but also the colors available for each panel are going to vary depending on the location of each panel on the Jeep. So there are actually 20 panels on this Jeep that we're going to have to wrap, which means there's going to be a total of 20 posts on the Instagram page that will have polls. I won't be posting all of them at the exact same time. They will be posted one after each other. That way you know which poll you should be voting for. Because there are 20 panels and 20 polls, this project is not going to be completed overnight, and it's actually going to take some time. I'm thinking it's going to take about 10 to 20 weeks, but that all depends on how fast I can get the vinyl and how long it takes me to wrap each panel. My plan for this project is to create 10 more videos for the YouTube channel where I'll announce the winning color of 2 panels at a time. And in that video, I'll actually wrap both those panels to show you what it looks like so that you can see how this project is progressing before you submit your next votes on the next panels. Also, once a winning color is selected, we will also be doing a name draw. What that means is we'll be selecting one lucky person from the list of everybody who voted for the winning color to have their name put on that panel. It will be something small, it'll just be like a little sign off, but I think it'll be really cool because once this Jeep is finished, you'll actually be able to walk around it and see who picked which panel. In addition to collecting votes on which color each panel should be, I'm also going to be running some giveaways. The reason I want to run the giveaways is I want to give you guys the opportunity to win something because you are spending some time submitting your votes. I also want to run the giveaways to hopefully promote this project so that we can collect as many votes for each panel. So we're not going to have a giveaway for every panel and poll. What we're going to do is we're going to divide up the panels into 5 different sections, and for each section, we'll have a different giveaway. Each section will have 4 different panels in it, and the winner of the giveaway will be announced when the last panel has been wrapped. So what that means is in every second video, we'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway. And for the first giveaway, I'm pleased to announce that Daydona's Enterprise will be the sponsor, and the prize is going to be a $100 gift card that can be applied to any purchase through them or for any service they may be able to do for you. I also want to mention that when I was discussing this with Jimmy, he also mentioned the idea that if this video and this project gets a lot of attention, he actually might be willing to increase the dollar amount of that gift certificate. So what that means, guys, is share this video so that we can get more people involved and hopefully increase the amount of this prize. To submit your vote on which color each panel should be is open to anybody. But to enter the giveaway, there are 3 requirements. The first requirement is that you have to at least vote for one of the 4 panels in the section. Hopefully you can vote for all 4, but in the case that you can't, make sure you at least vote for one. Second, you have to be following EvolvedJeepin and the giveaway sponsor. In this case, that would be Daydona's Enterprise. The last requirement is on the post, you have to comment below and tag 3 users. Once you do all 3 of those requirements, you'll be entered into the draw, and when the final panel has been wrapped, hopefully your name will be drawn. Not only was this video for me to introduce this project, but it was also for us to get started on this project. So what that means is the first panel that we're going to be collecting our votes on is going to be for the passenger front door. So in the description below, there'll be a link to an Instagram post on the EvolvedJeepin page where you'll be able to submit your vote on what color that door should be. So make sure to click on that link as soon as you can because it will only be active for the next 3 days. At this point, I am going to wrap this video up. I hope that you enjoyed it and are super excited about this project. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below and I'll do the best to answer them as soon as I can. As mentioned, I'm going to be posting another 10 videos in this project, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified of when those videos go live so that you can see what colors are being chosen and see how this Jeep progresses. If you can, please also make sure to like and share this video because the more people that we can get involved in this project, the more votes we can collect and the bigger it become. If you are sharing it, please make sure to use the hashtag ColorThisJeep as that is the hashtag that I'm using for this project and I'm hoping to get it trending. As usual, guys, please keep evolving and we'll see you guys on the next video.